Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with me, James. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you a couple of the major talking points and features. And of course, I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the car. Well, once we're there, we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features there. So what we have here is a 420i M Sport Gran Coupe, and it is presented in the very striking black sapphire metallic. And alongside that, we've added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside adding 19-inch 2019 style Mperformance alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. And the interior is also black, bringing us round to complete the full Your Next Car black pack. So you'll see at the front of the vehicle, it is a 2019 plate, so it is of course a facelifted 4 Series. So we also get the very nice facelifted front lights, tail lights, and a few interior tweaks, which of course I'll always point out as we go around the car as well. Down the side of the vehicle, we've got the gloss black air breathers. We've also got the gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals as well. And to really finish off that real deep black look of the vehicle, we've also got the privacy glass option on this vehicle as well. Give you a glance at the interior now, where you'll find the already pre-mentioned black Dakota leather, which comes with both heated and the electric lumbar options as well. The interior trim is the aluminum hexagon with estriol blue accents, and again works very nicely with that full interior package. Give you a glance at the rear seats, where you find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench with the centre folding armrest. And again, the vehicle being the M Sport, of course you have a M Sport black headlining as well. And as you can see, everything is nicely presented and all clean and tidy, as you would expect on a 2019 plate vehicle. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, where we have the facelifted rear lights, the ferric grey YNC M rear diffuser, which looks fairly similar to the OEM style one. However, we've got these very nice aero blades in the centre. High gloss rear boot spoiler, which sits on the automatic opening and closing tailgate. And as you can see, that is a very large space in there, which comes with the nicely presented genuine BMW floor mats. And again, thanks to the split folding seat option, this space can be made even larger. And there is also underfloor storage and storage to the left hand side. Round onto the other side now, where again you'll be able to see just how nicely the black sapphire metallic has come out, thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today, and of course the exquisite presentation of this vehicle. And I'll take you for one last glance at the alloy wheels before I head on inside the vehicle. These are currently the most popular alloy wheel we are able to offer here at Your Next Car, and everybody has complimented on just how well they look on the 4 Series of both variants, of course the Gran Coupe and the regular 2-door Coupe. Moving on inside now, as there is still to get a few more things to get through, of course, with a very special interior. Starting the car up, we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll run through a couple of the features of that. So of course you get DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the music collection, where you can store and rip music directly to the vehicle's hard drive, along with USB and AUX inputs. You've got excuse me, Bluetooth audio and of course Bluetooth telephone. And there is the navigation screen, and it is a very user-friendly navigation screen and navigation function to use as well. Being the 2019, of course, it is the facelifted iDrive, where they've separated everything into different sub-menus, again making everything a little bit more user-friendly. And if we go across into the connected drive screen, you'll also be able to see the vehicle is equipped with the Amazon Alexa voice function. So when a device is paired to it, you can use it exactly like you would an Alexa advice at home, asking it exactly the same sort of questions, i.e. how is the weather to a destination that you're travelling to would be a good example for a vehicle. Or of course, a regular one being add something to your shopping list. Alongside that, it has got the normal Connected Drive Plus functions with the online search, news and weather apps as well. And the Amazon Alexa function is controlled by just using this very simple voice activated button, which sits nicely on the multi-function steering wheel, alongside the cruise control, speed limiter function and the other volume controls and the mode select switch, along with the pedals for the absolutely incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is a very sought after gearbox, as well as that very nice 2-litre turbocharged engine up front. As you can see there, the vehicle's covered just over 17,000 miles, so again another nice low mileage example. So as always, I do hope you found this little walk around video useful and you have enjoyed it. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments. You'll also be able to find all of the relevant contact information and of course a link to our website to check this vehicle out in more detail, along with finding the prices and of course finance options should that be applicable to yourselves purchasing the vehicle. Thank you very much. We do of course hope you enjoyed it, but most of all we do hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.